Hi, my name's Sam Cooper and I'm a professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to create a really striking blue eye by using magnifiers. So I'm going to start by buffing the pencil along the lower lash line. I'm going to go right into the very corners there, and then close your eyes for me, and now I'm going to buff it into the lash line. Again, you can see I'm doing this quite roughly. So you start at the outer corner, wing it up a little bit, and then pull it in. I'm going to go in and just soften the edges with my finger, and then what I'm going to do is show you the second part of the shadow stick, which is a really cool way of like smoking it up a little bit and using my finger as I go, just so I can get a little wash of colour rather than a big bold stripe like I've done with the blue. And now to finish the look, I'm going to use the Volume Colorist mascara. I think for this kind of dramatic eye, always go for a black. So you want to just start from the roots of the lashes and then just sort of zigzag through to the tips. And then you get a nice thick black bottom lash as well, which I really like with this blue. And if you want to see more little clips like this, don't forget to subscribe below.